Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into all things, relationships, and emotions. Today's topic, a heavy one, but an important one, emotional divorce. We're going to explore three possible solutions for emotional divorce. So grab your favorite cozy blanket, a cup of tea, and get started. Solution 1. Communication is key when it comes to emotional divorce. Communication plays a vital role. It's essential to express your feelings and concerns to your partner in a calm and respectful manner. Sit down together and have an open and hon- honest conversation about what's been causing the emotional distance. Remember, it's important to listen actively and validate each other's emotions by communicating effectively. You may be able to identify the underlying issues and work towards a resolution. Solution 2, and seek professional help. Sometimes resolving emotional divorce requires the assistance of a professional. Consider reaching out to licensed therapist or counselor who specializes in relationship dynamics. They can provide a safe space for both partners to express themselves, and should you choose the process of healing and reconnecting. Therapy sessions may include individual uh, counseling, couples therapy, or even group therapy, depending on your specific needs. Remember, seeking professional help is a thing of strength, not weakness. Solution 3. Invest in self-care. Emotional divorce can take a toll on your mental and emotional well-being. It's crucial to prioritize self-care during this challenging time. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax, such as practicing mindfulness, indulging in hobbies, or spending quality time with loved ones. Additionally, consider seeking support from friends, family, or support groups. Surrounding yourself with a strong support system can provide comfort and guidance as you navigate through the emotional divorce. Remember, emotional divorce is a complex process and there is no one size fits all solution. Each relationship is unique, and what works for one couple may not work for another. It is important to be kind and understanding with yourself and your partner as you work toward healing and Rebuilding your emotional connection.